ChatGPT is brilliant, but sometimes we give it more credit than it deserves. We can make big mistakes if we don't fact-check an AI's output. As a rule of thumb, try to remember the following principle. An expert in their field works with AI and reasons within the AI conversation box, rather than copying and pasting every answer and mindlessly trusting. In fact, OpenAI clearly states at the bottom of the screen, ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check important info. You can obtain two types of undesired behavior from Gen AI tools: hallucinations and inconsistencies. Hallucinations are observed when the AI provides false output to generate any production. Now that you understand how Gen AI operates, you realize that models often predict the next word in a sequence using context to enhance accuracy. Despite the power and sophistication of these models, their predictions can occasionally be incorrect. Another reason hallucinations could occur is that the AI could be trained on factually incorrect data to begin with. If trained with false data, the model will likely produce incorrect outputs, right? A legitimate tactic for dealing with hallucinations is to give an instruction that says, "Provide an answer only if you know the answer." In some cases, this type of prompt engineering could be helpful. On the other hand, inconsistency occurs when a model provides very different responses to the same question. Especially when ChatGPT first came out, it felt like the AI was smarter in specific sessions and dumber in others. This is due to variations in the hardware used to run the model, or other uncontrollable factors, primarily when the model is hosted externally. One unproven way to reduce inconsistency is by instructing the AI to take its time. Hopefully, if you do that, it won't rush to produce a response, and the system could allocate more hardware resources for every prompt. In any case, detecting hallucinations and inconsistencies and finding ways to deal with them will be one of the major topics of AI research in the years to come, and will surely become a market worth billions.